Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So dear students, I know that now you people are very happy, isn't it? Yes, because you have come across a news that CBSE has reduced your syllabus till 30%. Your syllabus has been reduced till 30%. So that is why you people are very happy. But in English, as far as English is concerned, so most of the deleted chapters we have already done. Okay, so you need not revise those chapters. Okay, so now we will be doing only those chapters which are in the syllabus, which are in new syllabus. Okay, so let us continue with chapter 6, the 100 races part 2. Chapter 6, the 100 races part 2, written by L. Bosa Easter. Written by L. Bosa Easter. Okay. Chapter 6, 100 races, the 100 races, part 2, written by L. Bosa Easter. In my last class, I finished explanation of this chapter. So today, we are going to discuss question answers and other exercises of this chapter. So you all take out your book and get ready for the same. Okay. Open your book at page number 79. Everyone open their book at page number 79. Okay. So I hope you all have opened your book at page number 79. So let us begin. Why do you think Vanda's family moved to a different city? Why do you think Vanda's family moved to a different city? Do you think life there was going to be for their family? So let us discuss answer to the first question, first part of this question. This question has two parts. So first of all, we are going to discuss first part of the questions. Okay, answer to the first part of the questions. Alright. Why do you think Vanda's family moved to a different city? During my explanation, I have summarized the chapter many times, and all the times I have mentioned that they must have shifted to a new city because they were being exploited there. As in the story, it has been mentioned that Vanda Petronsky was teased in American school because of her strange name. Because of her different name. Her name was different from American students. So that is why she was being teased by them. So this was the reason. Not only Vanda, even her brother who was studying in the same school, and it has not been mentioned in the story, but we can imagine that society, even today, society is not ready to accept the people who are a little bit different. This is the reality of the society. If anyone is having dark skin, so we make comment on him. If anyone is having short height, we make comment on him. We make bad remark such people. If there is any disabled one, so the society makes bad remark. Okay, all right. So that is why we can say that it has not been mentioned in the story, but it cannot be the only reason for leaving the school that Wanda Petronsky was being teased in that American school. It cannot be the only reason. Anyone can understand. The whole family was exploited there. Exploited means here the society was not ready to accept as they were. They were having different names from Americans, and they were living on Bogans Heights, which was considered a place where poor people used to live. So all these things tell us that society of that city was not ready to accept them. So that is why they had to leave that city. But what you have to write in your answer, you need not to go beyond the chapter. What has been mentioned in the chapter, what you have read in the chapter, according to that you have to answer to the question. But if there is any value based question, if any value based question is asked in examination, then you will be writing this answer. Okay, giving some real examples which is really happening in our society. Even the people are not ready to accept such people if they are different from them, isn't it? You must have noticed. Okay, so as a student, it's your duty to not to do such things and stop others from making such remarks. You must have seen people making remarks on other students or other people, whether she is a girl or he is a boy. So dear students, it's our duty. First, it's our responsibility that we should not involve in such activities. Second, if anyone does so, it's our responsibility to stop them. It doesn't mean you are going to fight with them. Okay? So you can make them realize that they are doing wrong. That's what we have learned from this chapter. Only explaining the chapter, finishing the chapter, doing question answers doesn't matter. Okay? So each and every story, each and every chapter teaches us something which we must learn, which we must bring into our life. Okay? Yes, now again coming to the question, why do you think Vanda's family moved to a different city? So Vanda's family moved to a different city because Wanda Petronsky was being teased by other students in her school. She was being because of her funny name. Okay, so this is for short answer. If it is long answer, you have to mention all the things. How the other girls used to ask her about 100 dresses, all things you have to mention if it is long answer type question in your examination. Okay. Next part of the question is, do you think life there was going to be different for their family? Yes. Yes, now it is value based question. Do you think? Yes, we think the life was different for her family, for Petronskis in that city, because the people of that city might have been, not might have been, we can say that must have been exploiting them. They must have exploited them. So that is why they decided to leave the city and shift to another city. Easily no one leaves the city for no reason. So it might be a valid reason, and it was the valid reason that they were being exploited. Okay. Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Was she right? Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Was she right? Yes, of course, she was right. Because if anyone does wrong and you don't raise your voice against that person, then it means you are also supporting to that person. You are also supporting that person if you don't raise voice against that person who is doing wrong. So that is why we can say here, Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Yes, she was right. Do you think was she right? Yes, I think that she was right, because if she would have spoken, she would have ever tried to stop Peggy, then Peggy would have realized that she was doing wrong with Wanda Petronsky, but she was afraid of losing the friendship, and she was thinking that she would be the next target. So that is why she became selfish. Okay, and she did not raise a voice against Peggy. So yes, she was right if she was thinking so. Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb. And Guy, look how she can draw. What led Peggy to believe that Wanda was dumb? Did she change her opinion later? This is very important questions. This is very important question. Okay, how is it important? What does Peggy say? I never thought she had the sense to know. This question also tells us, if you don't raise your voice against anything which is wrong, then people would be thinking that you don't know this is wrong. As Peggy said, Wanda Petronsky was not reacting when she was teased. So Peggy was thinking that she could not understand that they were teasing her. Okay, students? So these lines also tell us that if we don't raise voice against anything wrong, then people might think that we are not realizing that anything or what is happening with us, it is wrong. So that is why everyone should raise his voice against wrong things. Okay. Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was dumb and gay. Look how she can draw. What led Peggy to believe that Wanda was dumb? Because Wanda, when she was teased, she was not reacting. So that is why Peggy thought that Wanda was dumb. Did she change her opinion later? Yes, when she came to know that Wanda Petronsky was realizing, she was knowing that she was being teased, even though she was not reacting. When she came to know it, then she changed her opinion. Okay, now turn the page at page number 80. What important decision did Maddie make? Why did she have to think hard to do so? Let us discuss answer to the first part first. What important decision did Maddie make? So when Maddie realized her fault, her mistake of involving in teasing of Wanda, when she realized her mistake, her fault, then she decided she would not tease anyone in the future. If anyone would tease, if she would find anyone teasing any student or anyone, she would fight against that wrong thing, even if it means losing friendship of Peggy. This is what she decided. Why did she have to think hard to do so? Yes, she had to think hard to do so because first of all, she was the closest friend of Peggy. She did not want to lose her friendship. Second thing, she was also a poor girl, but she was not as poor as Wanda Petronsky. She was also wearing the old clothes given by someone else. Even sometime Peggy's mother. Clothes were given by Peggy's mother. So that is why she was thinking she would be the next target of Peggy. So that is why she did not think, that is why she had to think hard to do so. Okay. Why do you think Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses? Yes, this is very important question. She was being teased by them, even though she made drawings for them and she sent those drawings, in her letter she mentioned that there were 2 drawings which were made for Maddie and Peggy, and they could keep that drawings, that designs. Okay, so why did she mention that one even if she was being teased by those 2 girls? So what does it show? Okay, this is the question. Why do you think Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy her drawings of the dresses? Most of the time it was Peggy and Maddie who used to ask Wanda Petronsky that how many dresses did she have, and she used to say she had 100 dresses. So in order to prove that she was right, really she had 100 dresses in her closet. And second thing, when Peggy and Maddie wrote a letter to Wanda Petronsky, so it might have reached Wanda. It was very much clear that the letter had reached Wanda Petronsky, and as Maddie and Peggy realized their mistakes, so that is why, in order to show forgiveness, in order to show that she had forgiven them, she mentioned that there were two dress designs for Maddie and for Peggy. Okay. Why are they surprised? They are surprised because they used to tease Wanda Petronsky, and Wanda Petronsky gifted them her beautiful drawings. And those drawings were of Peggy as well as Maddie. When Maddie reached her home, she had a look closely. When she looked closely to the design, to the drawing, she came to know it was her own picture which Wanda Petronsky had drawn. Okay, so that is why they were surprised. They used to tease her, and in return she made drawings of them for Peggy and Maddie. So that is why they were surprised. Do you think Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Why or why not? This is also a value-based question. Yes, we think that Wanda Petronsky was really thinking that the girls were teasing her, because if she would not have thought so, then her father might not have mentioned in the letter that there were plenty of names in the big cities. So mentioning this in his letter, it shows that Wanda Petronsky was thinking that she was being taught by the girls, but she was not reacting. She was getting hurt. And the other things which show it, she made special drawings for Maddie and Peggy, because mostly they used to ask her this question: how many dresses did she have? So these things show that she was thinking that she was being teased by the girls. Okay. So students, we have discussed all the questions and their answers. So again and again I advise you, I suggest you, don't look for the answers on internet. Don't search the answers on internet. You have to write your own creative answers. First read the questions, then go through the text again. Try to find out the answer. Try to mix your own opinion to the answer. Try to make your answer more creative. Then represent your answer in your notebook. If you will do so, even only then you will be able to score well in this subject. Mostly our students, what do? They copy the answers from internet. Then in examinations, will there be any internet facility there to find out the answers? to search the answers? No, beta. So you are not just writing answers to the questions, you are practicing. So this way you are practicing. So it's a practice for writing a creative answer. So that is why I repeat again and again, mix your own thought, mix your own opinion, and try to write each and every answer in a creative way. Okay, if you are unable to understand anything, let me know in online classes. I will clear your all the doubts. Okay, now thinking about language. Here are 30 adjectives describing human qualities. Discuss them with your partner and put them in the 2 more verbs given below according to whether you think they show positive or negative qualities. You can consult a dictionary if you are not sure of the meanings of some of the words. You may also add to the list the positive or negative pair of a given word. So dear students, 30 adjectives are given here. Some are positive, some can be used in positive sense and some can be used in negative sense. So here you can see the circle the adjectives which are used, which can be used for which can be used positively. You have to write them under positive section, and which can be used negatively, you have to write them under negative section. Okay, so I hope you will do it, and you have to do it in your book. Do it in your book. Next, what adjectives can we use to describe Peggy, Wanda and Maddie? This is very creative questions in which you have to do some creativity. You have to find it out on your own. So what adjectives can we use to describe Peggy, Wanda and Maddie? You can choose adjectives from the list above. You can also add some your own. So you can choose some adjectives which from these 30 adjectives which have been given. You can add some adjectives, more adjectives from your side to describe Peggy, Wanda and Maddie. Okay, so here 3 lines have been given and you must write adjectives for them. Okay, so do it in your book. Next one, find the sentences in the story which the following phrasal verbs. So you have to underline the sentences which have these words: lined up, thought up, took off, stood by. Next, look up these phrasal verbs in the dictionary to find out if they can be used in some other way. Look at the entries for line, think, take and stand in the dictionary. Find out what other prepositions can go with these verbs. What does each of these phrasal verbs mean? So you have to find out the meaning of these phrasal verbs, and you can find out more phrasal verbs. What are phrasal verbs? A verb and a preposition, when they combine, they make a new meaning. Okay, so that is called phrasal verbs. For example, look. Look is a verb and into is a preposition. Okay, and when they come together, look means see, and into it shows a motion. If they are separately, they are having different meaning. It is verb and it is preposition. But when they come together, look into means enquire. Look into means enquire. I-R-A. Okay. Look into means enquire. Try to look into the matter, to inquire the matter. That is छानबीन करना, जांच पड़ताल करना. Okay. So thus, when a verb and a preposition come together, they make a new meaning. So such words are called phrasal verbs. So you have to find out more phrasal verbs. Look into, look upon. Okay. So go on. There are so many words. When a verb and a preposition, when they come together, they change the meaning. Okay, they make a new meaning. So such words are called phrasal verb. Okay, so you have to find out more phrasal verb in dictionary. Use at least 5 such phrasal verbs in sentences of your own. You have to use such phrasal verbs in sentences of your own. Next question. Colors are used to describe feeling, moods and emotions. Match the following are expressions with a suggested paraphrase. So you have to match the color expressions with the suggested paraphrase. Okay. So all these questions for till third question you can use dictionary, find out these things, these phrasal verb adjectives and their meanings in the dictionary and complete. Okay. And for the fourth one in one column you can see some color expressions and you have to match them with their meaning. So do it. If any doubt, please let me know in online classes. I will clear your all the doubts. In my next class, I'll start the next poem, which is animals. Okay, I'll start this beautiful poem in my next class. Yes, some more exercises. Sorry, I did not turn the page. Here you can see for speaking. So for speaking, it will be conducted in online class. Okay, so you should be ready for the same. The story of Wanda Pentrosky presents many characters engaged in many kinds of behavior, teasing, playing, sitting in class. Form groups, choose an episode or episodes from the story. Assign roles to each other of group and form that episode and try to act it out like a play using the words in the story. So this will be done in online class. I will let you know when it will be done. So you get ready. You should be ready for the same. There are writing parts. So look again at the letter which Wanda's father writes to Miss Mason, Wanda's teacher. Mr. Petronsky is not quite aware how to write a formal letter in English. Can you write it more appropriately? Discuss the following with your partner before you do so. So the letter which Wanda's father had sent in this story, you have to rewrite the letter using correct format in a formal letter format. Okay. The format of formal letter, how to begin the letter and how to end it. The language, the letter needs to be formal. Avoid informal words like holler and fragments like no more ask why funny names. So write complete sentence. So you cannot use such sentences, such words in a formal letter. So you have to write this letter using formal words in a formal way. Okay. Second one, are you interested in drawing and painting? Ritu Kumar, one of the India's best known dress designers, has no formal training in designing. She started by sketching ideas of her own dresses and getting them stitched by a tailor. Ritu's friend liked her dresses so much that they asked her to design clothes for them and even paid her for it. Imagine you are going to make a career out of your hobby. What sort of things will you need to learn? Write a paragraph or two on this topic after consulting an expert or doing reference work on your own chosen area. So you must write a paragraph in which area you want to make your career in your future. Rewrite a part of the story as Wanda is telling us her own story. So rewrite a part of the story if Wanda. So suppose you are Wanda Petronsky and rewrite the story in her word. Considering yourself Wanda Petronsky, write this story, rewrite this story in your own word. It's all about this chapter. So thank you students for watching this video. See you in the next video.